Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So something happened. I bought a new bag. I know it's been a while since I put up any videos and I apologize for that, but I am back with something good. I'm doing another unboxing video and it's on Chanel. So just to give you some context, I've been searching for a new addition to my bag collection for a while now. And I was pretty open to the types of bag and the size and the color. Nothing was really planned until one time I went to Chanel, the boutique, with a couple of my friends, and I saw the 22C catalog, and I saw this bag and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta have this, and this is like a dream come true. So I actually had this bag reserved for a couple months now. The cruise collection released on November 9, but my bag actually didn't come until yesterday, and so I was super excited to go pick it up, and now I'm shooting this unboxing video. Ever since I got it from the store, I haven't really opened it, so I hope to do this with you together. So yeah, I actually reserved the bag before the price increase, but Chanel, it's being smart, so they actually released the cruise collection after the price increase. So I had no choice but to pay for this really painful amount for a bag. Especially knowing that if I had purchased this like a couple years ago, it would have been like a fraction of what I pay today. But the reason why I still went ahead and got this bag was because Chanel does not always release the same color, as you all know, and this color has not been released for many years until like I say 2021 and 2022. They had this color, but they were still not exactly the same. The shade were a little different, and I'll go into in detail a little different, but so it's been a color that I've been wanting to add to my collection. So I pulled the trigger. It was very painful, but I did it. So without further ado, I know you guys all want to see what bag I got, so let's just get into it. So this is the holiday packaging. My friend also got the same exact bag but in a different color just like 3 weeks before me, and she didn't even have this holiday packaging. So I guess they only started this in December, so I was lucky enough to get the holiday packaging. So let's open this bad boy up. You ready, guys? Isn't she gorgeous? So yes, I got the classic flap in medium size in white and caviar leather and champagne gold hardware. So let me just take out the plastic and unwrap this, and then I'll give you a closer look. Ta-da! Okay, so to give you a closer look, this is in caveat letter in white, and that is the front. That's the side. That's the back. There's the back part pocket. So I examined this bag with my friend in the boutique, and the bag is in perfect condition, and the chain is in perfect condition as well, so I'm really happy with it. This is in the champagne hardware. Depends on the lighting, but sometimes it can look like silver, sometimes it can look gold. But I think the champagne hardware is very versatile. So when you open it up, there's the zipper. That's the double flap. And that's the inside with the lipstick pocket. And actually this is the first Chanel bag I have with the microchip. So for those of you who don't know, Chanel and also a lot of other luxury brand like Louis Vuitton have stopped giving out authenticity cards. So now they've all kind of microchipped their bags. So the serial number, there will no longer be a serial number in the bag, but instead you have a chip which codes for your serial number. I don't know if you can see, but that is the microchip. And then there's a smaller pocket here. And then obviously the back pocket. So for those of you who are interested, this is the color code in case you're interested. It's the A0112. And I compared the strap with friend's a classic flat medium who she purchased many years ago, and this chain is actually a little longer than hers, which I'm really happy about because I do not like holding my bags and I love doing crossbody bags. So that's how I normally wear my mini, and that's how I intend to wear with this medium flap. So I'm just very happy with the longer chain because it sits perfectly on my hip, and I will show you guys later. Also compare the color. I mentioned earlier in the video that my friend purchased the 21C white Caviar card holder, and we compare that white with this white, and it's a different shade of white. So the 21C, and I will attach a picture here above so you can see it for yourself, but 21C is a true white when compared to this white. This white is it's white but with a subtle undertone of gray when compared to the 21C. Which do I prefer more? I like them both, but I do think this one, it's a little warmer. I think the true white, it's a cooler tone, and it would go more with, you know, black and white outfit, whereas this is a warmer tone and it would go with, you know, a lot more outfits. So I actually do like this. I'm not picky when it comes to white, so honestly, if like whatever white shade that they give me, I would be perfectly fine. But just for you guys, for reference, if you're interested in getting the 21C white, this is not exactly the same shade. I have the receipt, and so I purchased this bag for pre-tax was $8,800, and post-tax it was $9,600, so $9,603, and that was California tax. So if it might be a little more if you're in a different states or in a different country, or a little less. So it's almost $10,000, which is a tough pill to swallow. Between Hermes and Chanel, like, I would prefer Hermes leather. Hermes leather is uncomparable. Their leather, you could tell the quality is amazing and it will last a very long time. Chanel bags are a classic, and they are I would think they're pretty durable too, but still see the quality. It's still, I would say, subpar to Hermes. So for me to pay $10,000 for a Chanel bag, like, if I wasn't looking for this particular color, I don't think I would have pulled the trigger. I would have put that $10,000 towards Hermes bag. I'm just glad that this is in Caviar leather. I do have a lamb skin, so I really was looking for something different and something a little more durable, because after using my lamb skin for a while, I do notice scratches on the bag. Thankfully, it was a black lambskin bag, so you can't really tell until you come close to it. But I'm really hoping with the Caviar, it would be a little more long lasting. And also, I know if I pass this on in like 2 years, the price is even just gonna go higher, maybe like over 10,000 pre-tax. It's over the $10,000 mark that like it's really hard for me to justify, because you might as well just buy a Birkin or a Kelly at that point. With all that, considering all that, you know, it's the right color, it's a color that I've been wanting for many years, and is a medium size, which I don't have in my current collection, and it's in Caviar leather. It's a classic, so I ended up buying it. And let me put this on to show you how it looks on me. That's it. I hope you like my bag and my new video. If you haven't, please do subscribe the button so you don't miss any more unboxing. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys with hopefully another unboxing video soon. Bye.